So these are the hollow door prices that you can see. That my problem was the height that Tony has made the doorway with the lintel is not 210, which is the standard. He made it 200 plus the frame, so it was not geared up for that. That's only 1.6 for 40 mm by 70 by 210. It's now new price is 1.6, but these are hollow doors. This is flush doors as well with groove. 2.3. This is another molded doors, but it's hollow. That's 2.880. But that's 40 by 70 is 2.880, and 40 by 70 by 80 by 210. So this is still 2.880, 2,880. But these are all the flush doors molded. So you can see it's cheaper, 2,354, and it's already been painted. 2.3 for the 40 mm thickness, 70 and 210 height. So it's the same price as the 80. 40 mm, 80 by 210. But look at the beauty of that. And then you got this other one, the flush door with groove. So that's the flush door with groove. 2.3 for 70 by 210, 40 mm thickness, 40 mm, 80 by 210 is 2.4. So this one, this design, this is 2,975. Molded doors. So you can see what design is it. There. The 40 mm by 70 is 2,975, the same as the 40 mm 80 by 210. Because when they talk it here is 70, 80. Because it's the standard size of 210 centimeters. So I'm just showing you the design and how much it costs. This one is a molded. 70 and 210 are the same, 2,880. But you can see it's already been varnished. So here, the other type is this one. That's the cheapest I've seen here. The 1.6 flush door, 70 and 80 the same. 40 mm, 210 standard size, and 70 or 80 with centimeters. So but that's the design. They also have these white ones. Look, all the white ones in different designs, sizes, 70, 80, and even 90. This is the 90. Got 80. Sorry. It's 80 and 70. 219. It's all like molded doors. But look at the design on that one. 1,900. This one as well. The other design of the molded door is this one. Oh, that's pretty for the price. But I know they also have those solid doors here. You can see here it's from Westwood. It's all this is our molded door still. It's 2,880, and this other design is 2,770. Look at that. That's molded, hollow inside. And look at the other side. This is 2,880, and that's available the same price, 70 and 80. Look at the design on that one. That's pretty. This one, another design, is 2880. So again, the same price, 2880, molded. So you can see, you can create your home if you just canvas around. Oh, this is another pretty one. Again, a molded door for only 2,880. The same price, 70 and 80. So the 90, if you have 90, I think the price will differ. And this one, this is the more expensive one. This is the solid door. You can see it's not molded anymore. This is solid doors, 80 and 90 by 210, 4,990. Oh, this is 90. Look at the design on this one for 4,990. This is the Westwood brand. There's only 3 here on this for solid doors. This is another design of their solid door. This is 5,000. Agay, it's heavy. Aga. So you can say there's 5,150. But I can't pull it out because it's really heavy. And it's not hung properly. I don't want to make it fall. But you can see this is 4,890. It's available at 90 and 80. Solid door. So for the solid door of Westwood, it's only 3 of them. But these are the cheaper one, which is the molded doors. You can see, even though it's molded, it's at 2,000 pesos. It's really classy and beautiful to look at, like solid doors. But of course, you know it's not solid. And these are the prime white of the molded doors at 19, but it's only 70 and 80. This is the molded doors, mostly are just 70 and 80. And these molded doors are recommended for indoor. So you can see up there, these are the different design for indoor use only. So that in between the white 2 doors, 3,750 for 780 and 3,800 for 90, 3,600 for 70. So that's the white one, that's 19, 70 and 80. So these are all the flush door or molded doors, not solid. But you can see the available colors, and that's just the plywood, like what Janelle is making. But like I said, unfortunately I cannot install this kind of standard size because of the hole that was made. So these are the other Ashley wood, Ashley solid doors. The finish of this one is different. So you can see the price. It's carved. The price is 10,720. And it comes in different design. I can push it in. Oh, okay. Solid door. So you can see. This one are the cheap solid doors. That's 4,715. That's the design. It's like pine finish. 4715. That's another design. Again, this is another one. It's already been varnished and treated. Because some don't like the dark doors. Also, they have this other solid doors. 4,980. I think you've seen this before in my other. That's a solid door. This is from Carpenter. So the price for the 70 is 4,980. The same with the 80. And this is the 90. The price is 4,980 for 70 and 80. 90 is 5,390 and 100 is 5,420. That's the width, because its standard is 210. Because some are still asking me what's the height of the doors. So that's the design. Another one. That's same, 4,980 for 70 and 80, and 5,390 for the 90 width. The darker one. So you can see there. This is available in 100 centimeter width as well as 5,420. So this one, Lawaan door, 4,980 until the size of 80. So they got 60, 70, 80. This is the 4,980, and then you got a 90, 5,390, 100 is 5,420. But this is the design. This is made of Lawaan, another solid wood here in the Philippines. You got the same price as this one, but different design. So these are the new prices that they have for 2020 on doors. Well, some haven't changed since last year, but a lot has increased, only a few hundreds. So you can see the designs there to suit your taste, which one fits better for your house. I like solid doors because my castle is quite so big. The entrance, I had all my doors on order because it's very big than the standard. I don't have the 210 like that one. 4,950 until the size of 90, the same price. It's solid door from Cyprus, Japanese. So if you got an outsize from the standard, you can order them in Ramagal. That's another Monaco, where I order my doors, because some of them are quite big and carved. So you can see some of them there. I'll just slowly span it so you can have a proper good look on the doors available here. You can see the prices for 785 until the size of 90. They are solid doors, but Lawaan. So those are the colors that's available. You can order a certain design and then you want to have that certain color. They will accommodate that. So this one is for 975 for the three sizes, 70, 80, 90. So for if you got a big house that don't pass the solid doors available in the hardware, you can have it ordered in Ramagal. So these are the doors. These are hollow doors. It's only 2,000, 1,966, 2,000, but they put the hollow doors on the top. The white ones range about 1,900 to 2,200. The gray ones is the same, 19 to 22, which is 22, and the 90 on the hollow doors. And you can see here, these are the solid door area. That's from matte wood. See, that's the matte wood starts 18,000 pesos. For their 80, it starts here. That one is a hollow door, that's 19. This one is the matte wood, 18,000 pesos. That one's 18,000 pesos. Another is 18,000 pesos. So this is the doors that fit for your front doors. And also the pretty door that's for the CR. The pretty doors are around 1320. I had mine for 12, so I was happy with it.